So now comes the components of research proposal. In general, the proposal components includes introduction, literature review, research design and methods, timeline, collect and analyze data, document the work, communicate your research and refine. Introduction provides reader with a broad overview of problem in context. Then statement of problem answers the question, what researcher problems are you going to investigate? Literature review shows how your approach builds on existing research, helps you identify methodological and design issues in studies similar to your own. That introduces you to measurement tools other than have used effectively, helps you interpret findings and ties results of your work to those who have preceded you. Research design and methods describe how you'll go about answering your research questions and confirming hypotheses, lists the hypothesis to be tested, or states research questions you'll ask to seek a solution into your research problem. Include as much details as possible, measurement instruments and procedures, subjects, and sample size. The research design is what you'll also need to submit for the approval for the institutional review board or the institutional committee if your research involves human or any other subjects respectively. Breaks your project into small, easily doable steps via backward calendar, and here you will be able to maintain your timeline. So collect data that potentially relate to the problem, then arrange the data into a logical organizational structure, analyzes and interprets the data to determine their meaning, and hence determine if the data resolves the research problem or not. Because research reports differ by discipline, the most effective way for you to understand formatting and citation is to examine reports from others in your department or field. The library's electronic database provides a wealth of examples illustrating how others in your field document their research. Most importantly, talk with your advisor and communicate about your potential local, regional, or national venues to present your findings. And do not sell yourself short. Consider publishing your research in related books or journals. Refine, expand, and pioneer. Earlier, we emphasized the fact that research process, rather than being a linear, is recursive. The reason we conceptualize the process as a series of steps within a circle. At this stage, you may need to revisit your research problems in the context of your finding. You might also investigate the implications of your work and identify new problems or refine your previous research approach. The process then begins anew, and you'll once again move through the series of steps in the circle.